Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the powerful world of open source vector design as I show you how to use Inkscape for graphic design. Whether you are creating a professional promotional flyer or a stunning social media post, Inkscape provides all the tools you need without the expensive subscription fees. By the end of this video, you will be able to set up a workspace, handle typography like a pro, and align your elements perfectly. If this guide helps you level up your design game, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Let us jump right in. First, we need to set up our canvas correctly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus D on your keyboard to open the document properties. Here, you should set your display units. Choose pixels if you are designing for digital social media, or millimeters if you are preparing a file for print. Precision starts here, so do not skip this step. Next, keep your workflow organized by using layers. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to open the Layers and Objects panel. Rename the default Layer 1 to Background. This habit will save you a massive headache once your project gets more complex. Now that the stage is set, let us start designing. Select the Rectangle tool by pressing R and drag to create a box that covers the entire canvas. To style this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to open the Fill and Stroke panel, where you can choose a solid color or create a beautiful gradient to make your flyer pop. With the base ready, it's time for typography. Press T to select the text tool, click anywhere on your canvas, and type out your main headline. Use the top toolbar to explore different fonts and adjust the size until it looks just right. A cool pro tip for typography is adjusting your letter spacing. With your text selected, hold Alt and use the left or right arrow keys to tweak the kerning manually for that perfect cinematic look. If you need to include your brand logo or external photos, press Ctrl plus I to import those assets directly into your document. Finally, let us make sure everything is centered. Select multiple elements by holding Shift and clicking them, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open the Align and Distribute panel. Use the Center on Vertical Axis option to perfectly align your headline with your background rectangle. Remember, consistency is the key to great design. Once you get comfortable with these shortcuts, you'll find yourself moving through projects twice as fast. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing for more expert tips on Inkscape and other design tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.